Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compete Stripe Atlas versus FirstBASE. Let's break down the pros, cons, features, and pricing of each to help you decide which one suits your needs. Pros of FirstBASE. FirstBASE lets you form your company in more states, giving you flexibility beyond just Delaware bank account integration without EIN. Unlike Stripe Atlas, FirstBASE lets you open a business bank account without an employer identification number (EIN), which is a big plus, especially for non-US founders at $399 for a one-time fee. FirstBASE offers a wide range of service at a reasonable cost. Unique venture capital discoveries feature. FirstBASE's discovery program can help your startup get noticed by venture capitalists, potentially boosting your chances of securing funding. Cons of FirstBASE. While mostly positive, some users have complained about slower response times for customer support inquiries. Some users feel that the templates provided by the FirstBASE could offer more customization options. Features of FirstBASE: LLC or C Corp formation available in 34 states, $199 per year for ongoing compliance services. Unique features allowing for business bank account setup with an EIN, access to expert support throughout your startup journey, exclusive perks and rewards for FirstBASE users. Pricing of FirstBASE: $399 for the startup package, which includes a wide range of features and services. Stripe Atlas. Pros of Stripe Atlas. Stripe Atlas offers a quick and easy process for incorporating your business idea for tech startups, with tools for issuing stock and integrating payments through Stripe. Users can tap into the Stripe Atlas community for additional support and resources. Stripe Atlas focuses exclusively on Delaware, limiting your option compared to FirstBASE, priced at $500, which is slightly higher than FirstBASE is offering. Some users feel that the incorporation process is too rigged and lacks customization options. Features of Stripe Atlas: exclusive focus on Delaware for company formation. Additionally, $100 per year for registered agent services after the first year. Seamless integration with Stripe's range of financial tools, access to a community of entrepreneurs and resources offered by Stripe. Pricing of $500 for the setup package, which includes various features and services. Both FirstBASE and Stripe Atlas offer solid options for incorporating your startup, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. FirstBASE provides a wider range of state options, more affordable pricing, and unique features like banking services without an EIN. On the other hand, Stripe Atlas caters well to tech startups and offers specialized fintech resources. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific business needs and preference. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.